Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you for beginners how to make star shapes in Adobe Star Tool. Click on Artboard. Radius 1 25 point, radius 2 50 point, points 5. You can increase with selection tool shortcut V and shift key for professionally. Points 10, points 15. Select shape and apply fill from swatches. Tap fill and stroke shift X. Use eyedropper tool. Pick color from any shape or object. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Tap fill and stroke shift X. Finally, your star shape is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create star shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.